This is my bathroom, and you can see here my end shower here, and that's what I would like to replace today. I purchased a new end showers and shower head from Laser Bay Home Depot, and I just want to install it. So that's what I want to show you today. How easy it is to install the head shower in your bathroom with a diverter. So this is the package I purchased from Home Depot, Glazer Bay. That belongs to Home Depot. It's a brand of Home Depot, and it's 1002-541-861. That is a handheld shower and shower head. Okay, so as you can see here, it's coming with number of items. This is a taps seal. This is a divert. This is the end shower, and this is the shower head, and this is the hose. So this is the 5 parts it's coming with, and you can see how easy it is to install this shower head on the bathroom. Okay, so the first what we need to do, we need to remove this end shower, and that's it, it's done. There is a Teflon coming, or the sealer tape that coming with the package. Okay, when I put the Teflon, I have to put it with a clock, remember it. Always with clock. So that's it. Put the Teflon here and finish. That is the divert. I'm going to put it here. I'm just screwing it into the Teflon. First use my hand, and then I can use the plier here. Okay, so now it's good. Okay, so now what's left to do is to check to see. I'm going to turn on the water to see if there is no leak. Okay, before I'm going to connect all the other items or the other parts. And so as you can see, there is no leak. Okay, so now what we need to do, you see this is the place where we're going to actually put the shower head here. So we need to put the Teflon tape again with the clock. Okay. So that's it. Put it here. That's the shower head, and as you can see there is a filter here. What we're going to do, okay, I'm going to use the plier here. Okay, this is the hose and this is the end shower, and you can actually play with it, tune the water, etc. And here is the 2 washers. It's very important to connect them, remember, you don't want to have a leak. Okay, so I'm putting it here. So one washer I'm putting inside here, and I will tighten it now. And the other I'm going to connect to the shower here, the diverter. Okay, so I'm going to use this plier just to make it stronger. Okay, I think it's connected, and just can put it here. And that's it. That's the way it's looked until now. And what we need to do now, we need to just test to see if everything working with no leak. So this diverter here has some kind of a switch that you can switch from one to another, and that's what I want to see what's going to happen with that, okay? So if you're going to actually open the water now, you can see the water coming from here. Now, if I'm going to use the diverter, both of them are closed. If I'm going here, both of them are open. You can see both, and if I'm going here, only this one open. So that's the start. Excellent. Thank you for watching this video.